Hello, internet people. So, today I was wondering to make a video on the magical power, of present. Yeah, with the help of present, you can not only change your upcoming future, but you can also change your past as well. I know you won't understand this, but this is fact. With present, you can change your past as well as upcoming future. So basically, what you need to do, you need to remain in the present moment as much as possible rather than going back and forth into past, experiencing all those stress again and going again to future, experiencing all what might wrong go, all this rubbish which is never gonna happen. Okay, leave all leave these two things and stay in present. By being in present, you will be much more productive. You will save yourself a lot of energy which you might were going to waste by dwelling into useless stressful situation, imagining them in your head, or might be creating that reality for yourself as well. So be in present, focus in present. How will you come to present? Okay, if you have a bad habit of daydreaming all the time, what you need to do is tap to time at your nose. Okay, tap to time at side of your nose, which will bring you to the awareness, and then you have to notice what's happening inside your brain and what kind of activity you are doing. Okay, always remember, anger, any kind of frustration, all this emotion gonna take away a lot of your energy. And by tapping on your nose and coming back to present reality, you are going to save a lot of energy. Not only that, you will save a lot of energy, that's for sure. You're gonna be saved from a lot of unpleasant event which you are creating by delving into frustration and anger, which will eventually come if you will not become aware. Use your consciousness smartly all the time. Look inside your brain. What kind of thoughts popping in your brain? You have to manage those popping thoughts very smartly. If you do this, your life gonna change dramatically. Never dwell in negative thinking. Okay. If you have some kind of post stress PTSD, post trauma stress disorder, never ever, you have to just change your outlook. Dwell into thinking about it, that the situation was good, bad. Don't think about it. If you will think about it, or any kind of physical illness which that PTSD left on you, mark anything, if you will think about that all the time, it's never gonna change. It's never gonna change, my dear. It will repeat itself. It will come through different situation. You have to forget that completely. That's the only solution. Trust me. Whenever you dwell inside whenever you go inside any kind of situation, do not think that the same situation gonna come back. Become present. Tap on your nose and become present. And see, no, this time the things will be different. I will act consciously. If your heart start beating anything, you have to become present. Present is a gift. Understand it. It's a gift. I know you have already heard this word a lot of time, that you just think what kind of rubbish it is, but it is a gift. I'm telling you, if you use present, you can change your past and your future. Earlier, what you used to do, you used to only notice what kind of thoughts popping inside your brain. Now what you have to do, you have to think. Oh, sorry. Earlier you used to notice what kind of action you are doing. Now what you have to do, now you have to focus inside your brain as well. What kind of thoughts popping up inside your brain? Always remember, those thoughts are not just thoughts. They are living things. They're gonna take away a lot of energy, and they will struggle to be alive. They will attract similar thoughts. If you don't become aware, this is gonna happen, and it's gonna influence your reality a lot. Okay. If you cannot change that thought inside your brain, what you have to do is go do some kind of activity so that you feel good. All right. Always look what's happening inside your brain. It's very, very important. I will keep telling you in all the videos. Always look what's happening inside your brain. Do not fight with what's happening around you. You cannot change it without fixing what's happening inside your brain. Your action is predetermined by those thoughts. You never lie to yourself, buddy. Okay, most of the physical illness you have manifested them. I'm not some kind of baba saying this. I know how the mechanism, how all these things happen. Okay, you can also know. There's plenty of book available. Try to understand. Use present to change your future as well as past. What mistake you have done in past, do not repeat that. This time you have a powerful tool, present. Use it. Okay. Never ever you gonna think, never exaggerate anything. Do not imagine that it's the end of world if this not happen. Do not create all those anxiety for yourself. Then you're gonna say, yeah, I have anxiety disorder. Fuck you. You have, what can I say? You're a fool. You first create all those things and then you come complaining that, yeah, God created me like this, or my anxious guy. I'm this kind of, fuck you. You don't understand how you create a anxious self. You can create a brave and good looking and talented self as well by looking inside what's happening in your brain. Become present. Do not paint thing black, paint thing white. Do not think every situation, every word you think as bad, think those things are good. Always remember, your words are not your enemy, your thoughts are, if you do not manage them. Always manage your thoughts. Okay, so here I will end my video. Hopefully you like it. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm in need of more subscriber. You see, I don't even show you the subscriber because they are too low. Please hit that button. Okay, I will try my best to help you guys.